What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another hunting video. As you can see, it's kind of gloomy out, kind of foggy, and I'm actually headed to go on a goose hunt this afternoon. I'm meeting up with my buddy Jake at his farm, and he said there's been some geese using a cut cornfield in the afternoons pretty recently. They've been in there quite a few days, so he decided to get a group of guys together, and I think it's about 7 or 8 of us, maybe 9. And they just brushed up a blind yesterday, put a roof on it because it was supposed to rain today, but the rain is actually let off. The fog's setting in real good, but hopefully that doesn't affect the birds' flight tonight. They've hunted this field 2 times in the evenings before, about 1.5 weeks ago, and did really well. I think they had like a 10-man limit, which you can only shoot 1 bird per person, but I'm excited. If we get a big group to come in, we should be able to mash them up. So I'm about 15 minutes away from the farm now. I'll pick the camera back up when I get there, and we'll see you guys in the blind. Hold on.
Kill him!
There we go. Yeah, right again, girl.
Oh my God.
That's that. They're coming again.
Touch it up, Ron. Make sure they're dead.
Yeah,
That was sick.
Dude.
the 2 end seats gotta go.
Come here, Ron. Touch him up.
I like how Ronnie just wants to play with it.
He's like, you're dead and you're dead.
That was fucking rain out, baby.
This goose weighs like 25 pounds.
Man, check them. They're residents.
They're res. These aren't banded though.
I know I damn well got one. That's all I want.
I killed mine.
Yeah, we all got one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Probably me.
Yeah.
A lot of Bill's like broken in half.
Dude, look at
his ass end.
Look.
That's the one
Do you have it on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be sick.
This one's
I'm gonna set my gun up.
Those are
right
pretty birds, man.
Dude, what happened to the video when we got in trouble?
Oh,
Dude,
fuck,
look
someone
how
sniped his
look
shit.
how big this goose is.
It's a big
That's
bitch.
average size for what we've been shooting. Bill.
How many guys?
Holy
9.
You can kill 5 of
Go
them.
for Magnum.
Oh, really?
And, oh, the headshot. And I'm like, you gotta start an Instagram channel for all these hunts. Huh? You gotta start an Instagram channel.
Where are you?
Welcome to the house. We're out here for shooting some residential birds. I built this blind yesterday. We already got 4 down. I don't know if you've seen that yet or not, but
They're greasy.
we got 9 guys in. If you ever want to introduce themselves,
Name's Jamil. Joe. Blake.
Buddy the Elf.
Jake.
Marley.
Frank the Tank.
Steve.
Yeah, but we got 4 down. We can kill 9, so we're gonna settle in. Hopefully, we only need 1 more group. But they've been using this field pretty heavily lately, so it shouldn't take too much longer. Just gonna settle in and see what happens. Great. This is a goose call, not a duck call. Sorry.
My bad.
You go to the store and
You want it to reverberate, get that ooh, ooh. You're gonna use your diaphragm and your cheeks. You're gonna put your tongue in your cheek. You're gonna bring it to your mouth, cup both ends. Here, goose! Oh my God!
That gets him dirty in the bathroom.
Let me see the tat. That's bad.
Back right on the trees. Don't move.
You want to shoot him?
Kill him.
Oh my God.
Yeah, boy. I got the second one.
Y'all mashed him.
Yeah, boy. Woo! Here, Ron.
Oh, damn!
Frank, where's the Frank cam?
Yeah!
Oh, Frank, he just filmed it. Where's the cam?
That's all right.
I wish I had the hot dog in my mouth when I shot him in.
Ronnie. Yeah, I got him up here. Ronnie, let it go. Good girl. Someone come shoot this bird. Get it, Ronnie. Ronnie got it. Good girl, Ron. Yeah. Good girl, Ronnie.